Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make eggplant pakora. So here I've got the eggplant, the ground flour, and the spices. Uh, okay, so that's the flour, and that's the spices. We'll do a list of the spices. We'll add some water. And you give it a good whisk. So that's the flour done. Okay, so that's the eggplant. There's two way we make pakoras out. One is cutting it this way into rounds, the other that way. So you end up having sort of a scallop. So we're doing the rounds today. To start, just cut the tip off, about this thick. I think that's about ½ inch, I would say. Okay, so I've got a spring onion, so I'll finely chop this. Okay, so that's the spring onions. So we'll add the spring onions to the batter. Okay, so that's the batter. Just add the eggplant. I need to coat it thoroughly. Bismillah. Okay, so just flip it over. One side is cooked. Okay, the pakoras are now done. So we take it out. Okay, just have a look inside. When you break into it, really good, really soft and tasty. I'm going to make a super energy date drink. So here I've got the dates pitted. I've taken out the stones, and I'm now gonna wash them. So here I'm going to boil the milk. You need to boil the milk. Uncooked milk, you won't get a very good taste. So it's best to cook the milk, boil the milk. What I'm going to add is honey. So I've got pure honey, and for 2 cups I'm gonna squeeze out roughly about 3 tablespoons. I think that should be enough because the dates have sugars in it as well. So we let the milk boil. Then I'll add the dates. Uh, when the milk is boiled, and we let it cool down, then we blend it afterwards. Okay, the milk has been boiled. I'll add the dates. Let it get properly cooked. It's gonna get blended later after it gets cooled down. But now we need to cook it. Cook the dates as well, so they're nice and soft. Yeah, the milk is now done. As you can see, it's just changed the color as well. It's gone really creamy. So we now turn the gas off and let it cool. Okay, so the milk is now cooled. So I'm now going to blend it. So let's start blending. Bismillah. Ooh. Okay, that's done now. Okay, so we put it into a bottle or a jug. Bismillah. So that's a jug of a real energy drink made from pure ingredients. That's dates, milk, honey.